This is the Vexilar 8 SLT Pro Pack. What it is an ice fishing detector. It's also a depth finder. So we're going to go ahead and check our depth to see exactly how far we are. As you can see, we're approximately 20 feet deep. This indicates the bottom, this indicates the top. So far, no fish, but once we get some lures down in these holes and start jigging, we'll attract some fish. Well, we got set up and now we've dropped some lures down. We're about 20 feet and we're just kind of watching the Vexilar SLT Pro for an indication of some fish. We're fishing with mealworms on some Swedish pimples, also a Castmaster, and we also have some ice jigs. Hopefully that'll bring us some good luck today. Beautiful day. Here's fish number one. It's a little rainbow trout. Fish, baby, fish! What's up? Oh shit, I dropped it. Not too bad. It's probably about a 1.5, maybe 2 pounds. Pretty boy. You know what? There's more where that came from. That's a meal for one right there. That's right, baby. Yeah. Welcome to Fishing the West. Come on, Bastion. You know who your daddy is.
He's a biggie.
Another rainbow. See that? I can feel his heart beating.
To the end.
Oh, this one's been hit by a pike. Yeah, baby. I'll show you. This one's been nailed by a pike. I'll show you what happens. Okay, you ready? Check this out. Check out on the side.
No, close that.
Close it?
Mm-hmm.
See where he's been nailed?
No. Oh.
See those scars? That old boy's been nailed by a pike. And it looks like it's been fairly recent. He's got scars here. And he's got some scars up on his head. Well, we had a lot of fun. We hope this turns out well for you guys. And you get an itch to come ice fishing, just give me a call and I'll tell you what supplies you need. We'll come up and have a blast.